Hi friends, FirearmPop here, and you may be asking, what am I looking at? Well, this is my newest creation. It's a self-defense keychain. Now, they don't look like much. As a matter of fact, if you look at it on a keychain, here are some keys, and it just looks like an ordinary set of keys that somebody would carry. However, when a problem arises and you need to take some action, you just grab and extend out, and now you have a weapon. And I'll demonstrate the use of the weapon. But you have a good gripping surface here, and made with 550 test strength paracord, and you use that to challenge your attacker. Anyway, to reset, just pull that back, and you're reset into a normal key ring. Okay. Anyway, I have a special challenge for you. I'm going to give away 10 of these keychains to 10 fellow YouTubers who are willing to do a demo video of using it. So if you're interested in the challenge, just PM me with your address, your name and address, and I'll send one to you free of charge. And my only request is that you do when you receive it, make a video and show us how you would use it. And then I would like permission to use your video or parts of your video in any video that I make promoting the product. So this is my SDK 100. It's an SDK 100, a self-defense keychain, model 100. I'm applied for a patent, and so the patent is pending, and I'll copyright this video. Once I get my 10 entries, well, I'll post a change in the title of the video that the entries are closed. I'm going to do a little demo of the product now.